a lot of things. Like, it's 2024, and specifically today is like January 20, the 3rd of January, obviously. Now, I was surprised at how fast the market could recover. Now, it was January 2nd and the market was moving. GBP USD, Euro USD, everything was just moving so very well. So even on that yesterday, I had to call out a trade on the people in Telegram. So let me show you guys. I think now for that yesterday, we took GPGPY from around this point. Yeah, we took it from this point to this point, which is what I shared in the Telegram channel. And yeah, we took the trade and it hit take profit. If you can even check it right now, GPGPY is still moving heavy. So this just states my fact that the market is not sleeping in this 2024. So even that, I'm gonna be checking in for some pairs, and if I see anyone that's good to show you guys, and we're going to trade it.
A few inches later.
Okay, so I was searching for a trade and I just found one. In short, I didn't find one, I found two. So first one is AUDUSD. Now this is one trade from AUDUSD. Now as you can see, AUDUSD is in a proper downtrend and is below the moving averages. Now you can see right here, I marked up this resistance line. Now this is the next resistance line that market could get to. So if you take a look at Euro USD is building up to something very nice. Now if you can see right here, price is currently in the influence of the 9 and the 25 moving average. Right here, just right here, price is currently under the influence. So the only thing I'm expecting before I have to take this trade is I need to see a very good push down candlestick. I need to see a very good push down candlestick. Then I go ahead and take this trade and I put my stop loss just right above the moving average. It's a safe point. Wait, let me shout out this person. So shout out to Daniel. I was looking for a trade and there you just said someone should check out Euro USD. So I've seen it. Euro USD is looking very well. Let me place an audio notes here. Okay, so we can take a trade on Euro USD to the downside. So we just need to see like a very good candlestick, like a bearish candlestick, then we can take it to the next support zone in the market. So right here, I've already informed the team on the trade I'm going to be taking. So it's just to see if every of these things plays out. So if every of it plays out, then I'll go ahead and take this trade. This trade is looking good, but let's see. Let price enter my zone. I just want to see a very good red bearish candlestick. Then we'll go ahead and take this trade.
Much later, that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So this is it. This is the point where I go ahead and take Euro USD because everything is going according to plan. So I'll go ahead and sell Euro USD 0.5. Sell. I have 3 right there, and so as you guys know, where I'm going to be keeping my stop loss is just around here. So right there, I've already gone ahead and placed in the trade on Euro USD. So the take profit I'm looking forward to get to is 1.09136. So right there, I've already placed in our Euro USD, and like you guys know, I want price to get to this 1.09136. That's like the next big support in the market. Euro USD will be okay with. Okay, I've already entered Euro USD. Let me tell them. Now, even as this trade is going on, I'll need to check if there's any news coming from Euro or US dollar that can really change the direction of this market. Now, I'll be checking that with Fast Bulls. Now, Fast Bull is an application that gives you access to economic calendar, news, trader sentiment, and even institutional data for free. You are just scratching the surface of what this app can really do. Now, the part that really surprised me is that I can really just go into their trader sentiment section, and they've gathered as much data as possible on what traders are doing in a particular pair. So if more people are buying on GBP USD, you'll be seeing that, and if more people are selling in Euro USD, you'll be able to see that too. They've just made technical analysis way more simpler. Now, not just that, you can also get news on Fast Bulls, from low impact news, middle impact news, to high impact news. Now, how it works here is whenever you see 1 star, that means it's low impact news. Whenever you see 2 stars, it means middle impact news. Then when you see the 3 full stars, It's high impact news. Now this is the news that make the market to bring huge candlesticks. Now one thing different with Fastbull is that whenever this news is over, it goes ahead to tell you how it affected a particular currency pair, just as this news affected this currency pair to go buried. Now the part that just blows my mind is that you can set individual notifications for whenever this news is occurring. Now you can go ahead and set it that you want to receive a notification in 30 minutes time, 1 hour time, or 10 minutes time to whenever the news is happening. And yes, Fastbull will directly send you a notification 10 minutes to the time of whenever the news is happening. So whenever high impact news is coming, you don't get caught off guard. Now I've simply dropped the link in the description of this video and even in the comment section so you guys can enjoy the amazing service that Fastbull offers, all for free. That's wild. Now let me check, do we have any news on USD? So okay, we have one. This one is medium impact. Okay, medium impact news. We're having lots and lots of these things are small but they are many. So yeah, okay, we're having one high impact news by 2:30 p.m. Two high impact news. Will I actually hold this trade?
1 hour later.
This pair right here is GBPUSD. Now I'm kind of noticing like the same thing wants to happen here. Nah, I'm taking this trade, taking sell.
A few inches later.
Okay, so currently right now we are up $400, and if you check through everything that happened in the market, just as our whole analysis said, you know, everything did come through just as we expected. Price reacted to the moving average, you know, the 25 and the 9 moving average, and then it started coming down. We still have our take profit here, which is the main support here. Then as for GBPUSD is just like it's consolidating or what. Now I don't know whether GBPUSD is waiting for that FOMC that we saw on Fastbull's, that news right there. So this is what it could be before GBPUSD will start moving, because look at just, but you know what, I might just go ahead and close all my trades and call it a day. Okay, so right here, I think this is where I'm going to be closing my positions. If you're checking EURUSD right now, price has already gotten very close. You know what I'll just do right now is that I'll close all operation and close all positions. Okay, so as for this trade, we ended everything with $472, and unfortunately we closed GBPUSD with a loss because GBPUSD was not really moving. It was just consolidating most of the time. Now as for the broker I use Vantage Markets. I've already dropped their link in the description of this video. Now I feel like just me trading here, most of you guys are able to understand one or two things, maybe from the moving average, from support and resistance, all of that. So you can go ahead and apply those things that you learned from this video. So with that being said, I hope you guys did like this video. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. If you know you're part of the family, hit the red subscribe button. And with that being said, you know what, I'll see you guys in the next one.